Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be talking about Pixi Glow Tonic, one of the longest awaited videos on my channel. This little bad boy right here is formulated with 5% glycolic acid. This is the biggest selling point of this product. We're going to be talking about it, ingredients, what it does to your skin, and also my experience as well. So let's go ahead and get started. This product is supposed to exfoliate your skin, gives instant glowing look, at the same time gives a brightening complexion, and also smooths your skin as well. As you guys can see, there's a pattern here. Something that exfoliates your skin is supposed to brighten at the same time, and also it's supposed to smooth your skin as well. This is the benefit of exfoliation. So now, if you guys don't know what glycolic acid is a chemical exfoliant. It is under the umbrella of alpha hydroxy acid. I'm just making sure that I'm recording my voice because sometimes I realize that I will be recording my videos and then all of a sudden my video will be off and I'll be like, oh my god, no. This product is alcohol-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. This is a vegan product. This is also recommended for all skin types: sensitive skin people, dry skin people, oily gals, acne-prone skin people are gonna benefit from this product. And the one that I do have is a 100 ml and it is $15. Super affordable. Something that I also noticed on their website is that they do have it to-go pads as well. The pads soaked in this glycolic acid, actually the toner. So whenever you do travel, you don't have to bring the whole bottle thing. You just take those pads and then just kind of a sweep across your face, and very handy. The way you do apply it, they recommend using it AM and PM. I do not recommend using it AM. Glycolic acid is one of the substances that actually makes your skin sensitive to the UV rays. So if you ever want to use glycolic acid, make sure to use it at night and wear sunscreen in the daytime. You have to anyway. They did infuse 30 different types of ingredients in this product, and the natural ingredients are aloe juice extract, witch hazel leaf extract, horse chestnut seed, ginseng root extract. They also have infused biotin. When I saw the biotin in the ingredient, I was like, wow, why is it supposed to be there? Interesting, right? And they also have used castor oil in this product as well. So there is a lot of natural ingredients going on. When it comes to the fragrance of this product, I have to mention it is kind of strong. When you literally open the bottle, the fragrance, it's like hits your nose immediately. The smell is not bad, something that I can deal with. And now my experience. So when I started using glycolic acid, this was the first product that I purchased. I mentioned it in my previous videos for you guys that this is the product that I started using on my skin, since it claimed to be, a gentle 5% is not that bad. Some people use 7%, some people use 10%, some people use 20% glycolic acid onto your skin to, exfoliate their skin. If you do have very strong, I would say kind of oily skin, I think you can go a little bit higher than this. But since I do have a dry skin, I literally felt the tingling sensation. As soon as I put it on, I was like, wow, my skin is like tingling. I literally felt that, but it just completely goes away after 5 or 10 minutes. And I still feel it. Even my skin kind of got used to the product a little bit, I still feel the tingling sensation. Day after day, I actually noticed a difference. As you guys can see, I have gone through some of it already. That's insane. I have been enjoying this product. In the morning when I wake up, I actually noticed that my skin is smoother. And also I noticed that when I got pimples, I actually noticed them getting drier. Sometimes when you get a pimple on your forehead or on your cheeks, wherever you get them, they usually feel very irritated and it's like packed in oil, juicy, you know, so fresh, you can't even touch. I noticed that my pimples were smaller, I would say kind of drier as well, because it's trying to dry the skin, you know, on top of it. This is one of my staple products right now when it comes to skincare. I do use it very, very frequently, and I think I would highly recommend for everyone who's watching this video to give this one a try and see how you guys like it. All right, I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're a skincare person, you are gonna love this place. Have a great day for now, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.